Doctor. Doctor helps sick people feel better. Teacher. Teacher helps students learn. Architect. Architect designs buildings. Engineer. Engineer makes machines or buildings. Nurse. Nurse takes care of sick people. Firefighter. Firefighter stops fires and saves people. Chef. Chef cooks food in a restaurant. Artist. Artist makes art like drawings or paintings. Scientist. Scientist studies and learns about the world. Mechanic. Mechanic fixes cars and machines. Photographer. Photographer takes pictures. Pilot. Pilot flies airplanes. Journalist. Journalist writes news stories. Reporter. Reporter collects and tells news. Lawyer. Lawyer helps people with laws. Plumber. Plumber fixes water pipes. Hairdresser. Hairdresser cuts and styles hair. Carpenter. Carpenter makes things from wood. Electrician. Electrician fixes lights and wires. Waiter. Waiter serves food and drinks in a restaurant. Bartender. Bartender serves drinks in bars and restaurants. Barista. Barista makes coffee in a cafe. Taxi driver. Taxi driver drives people in a taxi. Bus driver. Bus driver drives buses. Dentist. Dentist fixes teeth. Actor. Actor acts in movies or plays. Farmer. Farmer grows food and takes care of animals. Butcher. Butcher cuts and sells meat. Baker. Baker makes bread, cakes, and cookies. Cleaner. Cleaner cleans houses, offices, or other places. Cashier. Cashier takes money in shops or supermarkets. Receptionist. Receptionist works at the front desk in an office or hotel. Librarian. Librarian takes care of books in a library. Construction worker. Construction worker builds houses or buildings. Police officer. Police officer keeps people safe and catches criminals. Soldier. Soldier protects the country. Barber. Barber cuts men's hair. Tailor. Tailor makes or fixes clothes. Programmer. Programmer makes computer programs. Graphic designer. Graphic designer designs, pictures, and logos. Translator. Translator changes words from one language to another. Accountant. Accountant works with money and numbers. Travel agent. Travel agent helps people plan trips. Flight attendant. Flight attendant helps people on airplanes. Social worker. Social worker helps people with problems. Musician. Musician plays music. Singer. Singer sings songs. Writer. Writer writes books or stories. Fashion designer. Fashion designer designs clothes. Veterinarian. Veterinarian is a doctor for animals. Delivery person. Delivery person brings food or packages to people. Postman. Postman delivers letters and packages. Pharmacist. Pharmacist gives medicine to people. Judge. Judge decides in a court who is right or wrong. Housekeeper. Housekeeper cleans and organizes homes. Security guard. Security guard protects buildings or people. Babysitter. Babysitter takes care of children. Athlete. Athlete plays sports professionally. Coach. Coach teaches and trains athletes. Event planner. Event planner plans parties and events. Zookeeper. Zookeeper takes care of animals in zoos. Florist. Florist sells and arranges flowers. Voice actor. Voice actor uses their voice in movies, games, or ads. Model. Model shows clothes or products. Tour guide. Tour guide shows tourists around places. IT technician. IT technician fixes computers. Real estate agent. Real estate agent sells houses or apartments. Director. Director makes movies. Producer. Producer plans and finances movies or shows. Entrepreneur. Entrepreneur starts and runs businesses. Researcher. Researcher studies topics to find new information. Wedding planner. Wedding planner plans weddings. Astronomer. Astronomer studies stars and planets. Archaeologist. Archaeologist studies old things from history. Seller. Seller sells things to people. Assistant. Assistant helps with tasks or provides support. Beekeeper. Beekeeper takes care of bees for honey. Potter. Potter makes pots and dishes from clay. Fisherman. Fisherman catches fish. Forester. Forester manages and takes care of forests. Tattoo artist. Tattoo artist draws tattoos on people's skin. Lifeguard. Lifeguard saves people in swimming pools or beaches. Editor. Editor edits videos for movies, ads, or online content. Painter. Painter paints houses or art. Jeweler. Jeweler makes or fixes jewelry. Paramedic. Paramedic helps people in emergencies. Financial analyst. Financial analyst studies money and helps people invest. Handyman. Handyman fixes small things in homes. Sculptor. Sculptor makes art by carving stone, wood, or metal. Glassblower. Glassblower makes art or objects with glass. Miner. Miner works in mines to find minerals. Blacksmith. Blacksmith makes or fixes metal tools. Stunt performer. Stunt performer does dangerous acts in movies. Astronaut. Astronaut trains to travel and work in space. Gardener. Gardener takes care of plants and gardens. Manager. Manager plans and organizes tasks or teams. Digital marketer. Digital marketer promotes products online. Secretary. Secretary helps with schedules. Interior designer. Interior designer designs the inside of houses or offices. Pet sitter. Pet sitter takes care of pets.